Latest on the transfer news, amathimba amaningi ayathenga, engabe yakhe team iyathenga na. Ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ezingimangazile namhlanje. Iclub enkulu yale eTanzania, iSimba SC, ucoach wayo uSteve Barker wala eSouth Africa. Kuthiwa le club le ifuna ugoalkeeper weChippa United okubani okuStanley Nwabali. UNwabali ke ube ugoalkeeper weNigeria obevimba kahle for iNigeria uze wabafikisa kunumber 3. Right now umjida ukwazile ukuthi asave ama penalties against Egypt wabanikeza indondo. So ukhipha ke lo bafethu osesalelwe u6 months kwideal yakhe with iChippa United. Wesesalelwe nje u6 months, maningi ama club azofika kuyena, una 29 years old. Maningi ama club azofika kuyena efune ukumthenga. iSimba SC is one of those teams efunayo umjida ukumthenga. Asazi ukuthi icamp yakhe umjida ngabe management yakhe uStanley Nwabali izovuma yini asayinwe iSimba SC noma akhona yini ama club ase Europe azofika umjida afuna ukumsayina, because remember he plays for iNigeria. He plays with one of the best stars akhona le eEurope, aqhamuka khona la eAfrica. So kungenzeka umjida ahamba ele Europe, but ke iSimba kubukeka kuyiclub yokuqala efikile yafuna ukumsayina umjida. Ungangitshela wena ama comments, do you think umjida kumele ahamba eEurope noma ahamba ayojoina iSimba SC, iclub yaseTanzania, noma aqhubeke adlala khona la kuBetway Premiership? Akhona ama team la kuBetway Premiership asengamsayina njengo Kaizer Chiefs nje, but ke angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu ngo Kaizer Chiefs. I know iKaizer Chiefs inabo goalkeeper ba right, ubuvuma usengakwazi ukuthi avimbe kangcono kunayo umjida. uPeterson ukhona usengakwazi ukuthi avimbe kangcono kunayo umjida, but ke wena as umlandeli ungangitshela iyiphi iclub umjida engamfanele. Kwesinye izindaba bafethu iDurban City ifuna ukusayina uSiphiwe Mahlangu from iSikhukhune United. Umjida una 30 years old. Kuthiwa le deal le izoconclude kuleli sonto lelizayo. Kuthiwa imedical uzoyishaya kuleli sonto elizayo, umjida bazom-unveila as a new Durban City player okuSiphiwe Mahlangu, yabo. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu ngisakuyona nje iDurban City, kuthiwa iDurban City ifuna umdlali okubani oku-Emmanuel Jalai odlala kephi kwiDynamos, yabo. Iclub yale eZimbabwe umjida iyamfuna iDurban City. iDurban City serious ngempela after bededele bani uKevin Hunt, baloku besayina abadlali abaningi nje bafuna ukuvusa lela themba bebenalo at the start of the season. Abajida baqale kahle kakhulu, so bafuna ukure-ignite leya passion leyanto ababenayo ekuqaleni kwesizini. I hope ke bazokwazi ukuthi baqhubeke baye phambili. Banocoach omusha, ucoach omncane, ucoach olaziyo ibhola. Ngiyamthemba kakhulu lo coach lo. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iDurban City futhi ifuna ukusayina iwinga eleSikhukhune United eliqhamuka kwiChippa United okubani okuRonaldo Maman. Bazomkhumbula ke abantu umjida wayedlalele Orlando Pirates, but ke umjida right now usedlalelana iSikhukhune United. iDurban City iyimisela ngempela ukumsayina lo mjida. Remember phela iSikhukhune sathanda kusayina iwinga elisha kuMojela eliqhamuka kwiStelis. So I don't think bazoba nenkinga kakhulu ukuthi bamdedele uRonaldo Maman uthi ayojoina iDurban City, but ke izinto ziyenzeka kwiBetway Premiership singesazi. Wena ungangitshela wena ngokwakho, do you think umjida kumele bamdedele ayodlalela iDurban City akwazi ukuthola igame time? Because oMojela phela njengoba besayiniwe bazoqala as ama starters. Bakhona futhi noMagalo lapha abadlala. uSonwabo Khumalo bafethu usebonakale kwiMidland Wanderers, umdlali weOrlando Pirates labafethu ona 23 years old. Umjida ke udlala eSweden. Last season waspenda iloan yakhe with iChippa United from Orlando Pirates. Baphinde futhi bamloana kwiOrbit College, remember ngo-2023-2024 season. Manje ke umjida sebemloanele kwiMidland Wanderers. I hope umjida uzosebenzisa ithuba, one day uyolithola ithuba lakhe edlalela iOrlando Pirates, but ke iOrlando Pirates imdedelile yathi ayumlona le kwiMidland Wanderers okuyiclub vele ekahle kakhulu edlalayo lezansi, yabo. Let's hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi alisebenzise ithuba akwazi ukubuyisa leyo nto le khona ezorecallwa imparent club yakhe kuOrlando Pirates. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu uRivaldo Josier kuthiwa umjida utrainer with iSikhukhune United. iSikhukhune United lesi sisathanda kudedela bani okuMiguel team. I feel like ukutrainer kwakhe with iSikhukhune is the right thing to do by uEric Tinkler ukuthi akwazi ukurecruiter another experienced midfielder, another experienced CDM ozokwazi ukuthi avale lesasikhala lesana bafethu. uRivaldo Josier umjida right now akanayo club, uyi-free agent, ulindele noma yiphi team ezofika kuyena izokwazi ukuthi imsayine, but ke njengoba nje etrainer with iSikhukhune United buya ngazuthi izinto ziyathembisa ngempela. umjida ngenzeka simbone nje ku-TV edlala nje, yabo. Indaba ezinhle kakhulu ke lo mjida lo unayo ke lento lokuhlushwa ama-injury kakhulu. Ama-injury akakaze amthanda umjida, uyalazi nebhola uyalazi, but ke inkinga ama-injury bafethu yabo kube kuya ngami ngabe nje ngithi ama-injury angabi khona ebholeni but ke it's part of the game. Let's hope umjida uzokwazi ukuthi awanese ama-injuries simbone egroundini edlala. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu the former Kaizer Chiefs winger uSekhoda is set to sign a 1-year contract with the Swelele FC that includes an option to extend umjida uma i-impressa ama-technical team i-impressa i-technical staff uzokwazi ukuthi ayithole another deal yabo i-extendwe umjida right now kumele lisebenzise leli thuba njengoba ezosayina with iSwelele FC. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iMarumo Gallants umdlalo weMarumo Gallants kuthiwa use-attracte ama-club amakhulu use-attracta nje ama-club amakhulu kunenye i-club yaseBulgaria i-club yayo ibizwa ngani ngeDunav Ruze yabo Dunav Ruze. If ukhumbula kahle this guy was linked with the Orlando Pirates at the start of the season. He was heavily linked with the Orlando Pirates but ke the deal fell through umjida sambone esejoyina iMarumo Gallants Orlando Pirates yahamba yayosayina i-striker okumbuthuma yabo abafuna ukusayina i-track ezu2 kwi-season A1 umjida wajoyina iMarumo Gallants. Fair enough lo mjida lo uyi-striker sangempela yabo I've seen this guy play. This is a very deadly striker uyakwazi ukukora umjida. He's very lethal yabo. So umjida ke right now kuthiwa kukhona ama clubs la kupheze Premiership amfuna ngempela umjida afuna ukumsayina. Khona neclub yale eBulgaria efuna ukumsayina singesazi ke kukuyena umjida uzokhetha yipi club. iMamelodi Sundowns igcine isiconfirmile ukuthi uMuselibusa uhambile yabo kwababonile ke bafethu izolo indaba iphumile kuthi uMuselibusa uzohamba. iSundowns eshesha ikhipha indaba yasho ukuthi umjida yes uzoyijoyina iStelis but ke umjida uyiterminateile icontract yakhe with iMamelodi Sundowns after spending long years with iMamelodi Sundowns, winning many titles with iMamelodi Sundowns. Simfisele kuhle nje bezohamba nje ayojoyina iStelis. Let's hope uKevin Hunt uzokwazi ukuthi amsebenzise. Let's hope uKevin Hunt uzokwazi ukuthi akhe something with this kind of player because he is a leader. I see him being a captain lapha kuStellenbosch. Kwezinye izindaba bafethu iSimba SC isiconfirmile that uChristopher Brugman will be the assistant coach of uSteve